Aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise, also known as endurance activities, cardio or cardiorespiratory exercise, is physical exercise of low to high intensity that depends primarily on the aerobic energy generating process. Aerobic is defined as relating to, involving, or requiring free oxygen and refers to the use of oxygen to adequately meet energy demands during exercise via aerobic metabolism. Aerobic exercise is performed by repeating sequences of light to moderate intensity activities for extended periods of time. Aerobic exercise may be better referred to as solely aerobic, as it is designed to be low intensity enough that all carbohydrates are aerobically turned into energy via mitochondrial ATP production, according to the encyclopedia. Mitochondria are organelles that rely on oxygen for the metabolism of carbs, proteins, and fats. Examples of cardiovascular aerobic exercise are medium to long distance running or jogging, swimming, cycling, stair climbing, and walking. Read about the history, what qualifies as aerobic exercise. Examples of aerobic exercise: dancing, hiking, bicycling, walking, golf, downhill skiing, tennis, softball, swimming, gardening, light yard work, jogging. Vigorous activities: brisk walking, bicycling, hiking uphill, cross-country skiing, stair climbing, soccer, jogging, jumping rope, tennis, basketball, heavy yard work. Aerobic versus anaerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise and fitness can be contrasted with anaerobic exercise, of which strength training and short distance running are the most salient examples. The two types of exercise differ by the duration and intensity of muscular contractions involved, as well as by how energy is generated within the muscle. Read all about that. Read about the benefits, health benefits. Among the recognized health benefits of doing regular aerobic exercise are strengthening the muscles involved in respiration to facilitate the flow of air in and out of the lungs, strengthening and enlarging the heart muscle to improve its pumping efficiency and reduce the resting heart rate, known as aerobic conditioning, improving circulation efficiency and reducing blood pressure, increasing pain tolerance, increasing the total number of red blood cells in the body, facilitating transport of oxygen, improving mental health, including reducing stress and lowering the incidence of depression, as well as increased cognitive capacity. Slight reductions in depression may also be observed if aerobic exercises are used as additional treatment for patients with a hematological malignancy, reducing the risk for diabetes, reducing the risk of death due to cardiovascular problems, reducing risk for heart disease, blood clots, and stroke, lowers total cholesterol, raises good cholesterol, promotes weight loss, prevents bone loss. High-impact aerobic activities such as jogging or using a skipping rope can stimulate bone growth, reduce the risk of osteoporosis for both men and women. Read about body performance benefits. In addition to the health benefits of aerobic exercise, there are numerous performance benefits: increasing storage of energy molecules such as fat and carbohydrates within the muscles, allowing for increased endurance, neovascularization of the muscle, scaromeres to increase blood flow through the muscles, increasing speed at which the aerobic metabolism is activated within muscles, allowing a greater portion of energy for intense exercise to be generated aerobically, according to the encyclopedia, improving the ability of muscles to use fats during exercise, preserving intramuscular glycogen, enhancing the speed at which muscle recover from high intensity exercise. Read about the neurobiological effects: improvement in brain structural connections, increase in gray matter density, new neuron growth, improvement in cognitive function, improvement improves mental wellness by relieving stress, tension, anxiety, and depression, boosts energy level, improves sleep quality, improves self-image and confidence. Read about the disadvantages, overuse injuries because of repetitive high-impact exercise such as distance running. Read all about that. Read about for older adults. Activities similar to aerobic exercise. Success in aerobic exercise businesses. Types of aerobic exercise: walking, cycling, running, cross-country skiing, treadmill, aerobic dancing, swimming, kickboxing, circuit training, jumping jacks, water aerobics, stair climbing. Read all about aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise.